Hi everyone, welcome to First Cut Reviews. Actually, I should say welcome back to First Cut Reviews because I think it has been long while ever since I came in front of camera. But today I'm back, and this time I'm not back with movie reviews. I might do some kind of movie review soon, but abhi not really. Because COVID made me realize something that yes, there's new content coming up, not a lot of it, but there was some really wonderful old content, and that is what I started revisiting during this time. And not just revisit, there were a lot of people जिनको मैंने ये content बिठाकर दिखाया है कि ये देखो, this is my favorite film, this is what I really loved about this film, etc, etc. And that is what inspired me to come up with this series where I would be posting a video almost every week, which I would call my Fave 5 series. In this, I would be picking up elements from films. It can be anything. It might be my top 5 favorite films altogether, the music, the background scores, the debut performances, etc, etc. But this would be purely on my own choice and the content that I have watched, and this would be limited to Hindi film industry. So today's list is something जिसके related हम लोग काफी expectations के साथ film में बैठते हैं, which is actually the opening sequence of a film. And usually opening sequences aren't really impressive. Like, leaving a few, the opening sequences are and that is when you are like still checking your phone and keeping it aside unless the interest in the film actually comes up. But then here I'm compiling my favorite 5 opening sequences of Hindi film industry. At number 5 we have Imtiaz Ali's Rockstar. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, मुझे याद था कि इस मूवी का जो ओपनिंग सीक्वेंस है वो काफी अच्छा इंटरेस्टिंग था, उसकी वजह से मेरा काफी इंटरेस्ट बन गया था मूवी में. बट 2 days बिफोर रिकॉर्डिंग दिस वीडियो, आई एक्चुअली हैड टू रीविजिट दैट सीन जस्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि व्हाट ऑल न्यूआंसेस कुड इम्तियाज अली रियली कैप्चर. We all know Imtiaz Ali. We know what beautiful content he has delivered. Yes, uska ideology around every film is quite similar, and that kind of has become a cliche for him. And his recent content, like जब Harry Met Sejal or Love Aajkal 2, was like very meh, for the lack of a better word. But then you revisit some of his older content, Rockstar being one of them. Now the movie opens up with these montage sequences across Europe. That too as if recorded over a handycam. You see these Europeans all going crazy, selling t-shirts, this all fangirling, fanboying over this guy called Jordan, and you see posters of Jordan, who is Ranbir Kapoor, all across the city. Cut from these montages to the present day where Jordan is lying on the floor. He's fighting policemen and he runs to catch a bus. You see everybody in the bus baffled to see him there because आफ्टर ऑल एक इतना बड़ा स्टार जिसके बारे में सब यूरोप में बात कर रहे हैं, वो सडनली आके तुम्हारे साथ बस में बैठ जाए तो ऑब्वियसली इट विल कैप्चर अटेंशन. सो सब उसको देखने लग जाते हैं एंड सून ही गेट्स ऑफ. यू सी ही इज फ्यूरियस, ही इज एंग्री, उसके यहाँ सर से खून बह रहा है एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, एंड ही सडनली goes and starts hitting these barricades and you're like, ये क्या कर रहा है? And you realize he's actually entering his own concert. He goes onto the stage, people are screaming, he goes on, throws some water onto his face to wipe up that blood, to get some rejuvenation, and he starts playing the guitar. And as soon as he plays the first drum, you are suddenly cut to the past. The past Ranbir Kapoor, who is playing guitar in the college. Beautifully captured within those first 2 minutes. You realize that there is this person, the present day person, who is extremely angry, furious, probably बहुत घमंडी. And you are immediately cut to the past, showing that, see, this is the amount of transition that this man has gone through. Imtiaz Ali, I'm sure your audience is waiting for better content though. At number 4, Anurag Kashyap's Gangs of Wasseypur. I'm talking of part 1. यार अब Gangs of Wasseypur काफी पुरानी मूवी है, like Rockstar. Again, I had to revisit the opening sequence. But again, it is such a good opening sequence कि तुम्हारे दिमाग में एक आइडिया तो रहता है कि क्या हुआ था. You know Anurag Kashyap, you know his craft. He's one of those magicians जो calmness और एजिटेशन को इतनी परफेक्टली ब्लेंड करता है कि यू लिटरली कैन गो अप्स एंड डाउन्स विद इन द सेम सीक्वेंस. सो द ओपनिंग सीक्वेंस स्टार्ट्स विद द इंट्रोडक्शन सीक्वेंस ऑफ सास भी कभी बहू थी. You have the entire music going on. You remember Tulsi inviting everybody to home and everything. And slowly the camera pans out. Alright, and you see this family in a choti jhopdi si sitting with a lot of concentration. They are watching at that introduction sequence as if पहली बार देख रहा हूँ. But that's the thing with small households. They are so ingrained in their serials that even the introduction sequence is seen with so much concentration. But that calmness, that that family ka thing that he's showing, everybody sitting together and watching that, it is interrupted within seconds with gunshots. You suddenly see कि टीवी के आसपास ऐसे गोलियां लग रही है, टीवी पे गोलियां लग रही है, and after that you are introduced to Pankaj Tripathi ka gang, and there's an entire shootout sequence that happens. And I was sitting in the seat thinking ये कहाँ शुरू हुआ और ये क्या हो गया suddenly, and in a minute I was a part of the narrative. At number 3, the most recent entry, Dibakar Banerjee's Sandeep or Pinky Farrar. So I'm not very sure how many of you have actually watched this film. If you haven't, please go and watch it on Amazon Prime Video. It is a 2021 film released about 3 to 4 months back. I had the pleasure of watching it in the hall. It is a beautifully crafted film which has layer after layer. So let's not talk about the film, because if I start talking about the film, it'll be a long thing because it's a lovely movie. So the most beautiful thing about the opening sequence, you do not get to see any of our protagonists, at least not in the main frame. So it starts with 3 random strangers. They are going in a black Fortuner on the golf course road of Gurgaon. Okay? You see the darkness. They are talking about very real stuff that 3 Haryanvi guys from Gurgaon will be talking about. They're talking of some party. They're talking about कि कौन सी लड़की वो easily उठा पाएंगे, जो लिपस्टिक वाली लड़की है या फिर जो बिना लिपस्टिक वाली लड़की है. बिकॉज जो लिपस्टिक वाली लड़की है वो तो आसान होगी उठानी, जबकि जो बिना लिपस्टिक वाली है वो थोड़ी मुश्किल होगी. A very real conversation. Why Dibakar Banerjee makes it that interesting is that you see it. It's a fixed camera shot. You see that the camera is fixed at the front of the Fortuner, and you see them talking. But in between, as the talking is going on, he suddenly fades into background score. A very chilling and beautiful background score. So while the sequence is on, this Fortuner actually speeds across an accord, and you see that in that side frame, there is Arjun and Pariniti sitting there. Alright, so your main protagonists make an entry in the opening sequence, but they're not in the main frame. And this continues. It's there on the Fortuner. And where the sequence ends is that as the Fortuner suddenly reaches a particular point, there are gunshots fired and everybody in the car gets killed. And you're like, ये क्या हुआ? ये क्या हुआ? पहली बात तो हमारे मेन प्रोटैगनिस्ट दिखे भी नहीं हमें. मेन प्रोटैगनिस्ट दिखे भी नहीं, उसके बाद भी जो ओपनिंग सीक्वेंस था उसमें कोई 3 रैंडम लोगों को मार दिया. Is the story gonna be revolving around these 3 people? Is there any significance of this? Why were those 2 people shown in the background and not in the foreground? That is the kind of intrigue that the opening sequence brings in. At number 2, we have Sriram Raghavan's Badlapur. Let me tell you, there was a spoiler in the film in the sense that इस movie का नाम ही बदलापुर, don't miss the beginning था. Alright? So I hope everybody who went to watch this film in the halls, they went after reading that and did not miss the beginning. Because the beginning is the actual setup of the entire film. So Sriram Raghavan has some different kinds of antics up his sleeve. We know Andhadhun. We know what kind of a beautiful film he delivered just 3 years back. So Badlapur ka opening sequence, you do not see Varun Dhawan in the opening sequence. Now why Sriram Raghavan's opening sequence works so much is because the entire opening sequence is captured as if you're standing somewhere on a road. It opens up with a camera set over a road where you are randomly just observing the day. Alright? It's just there. You see these 2 masked men coming. They come, they attack a bank. You don't know what exactly is happening because you just see these 2 people who have entered a bank. They've shut the shutter down and you don't know exactly ho kya raha hai, but you're just standing as an observer, looking at the screen like an observer. And you see shutter khulta hai, wo bahar aate hain, you feel kuch to hua hai andar. I don't know kya hua. ठीक है? The first point of intrigue. And you see Yami Gautam and a child coming up to the car in the same sequence, alright? पीछे robbery हो रही है, यहाँ पर ये लोग हैं. And those robbers, because they need to run away, they look for a car. And they come and attack Yami Gautam and her child. And they're pushed into the car, they drive the car. And then the sequence continues. The sequence continues, it becomes brutal at a point of time. You suddenly shift perspective to the car. You see कि ये robbers भाग रहे हैं. And Yami Gautam is begging कि हमें छोड़ दो. And in the meanwhile, the child, he falls off the car. He falls off from one of the doors. Similarly, Yami Gautam gets shot in that sequence. And that is where the sequence ends. And you're like, ये क्या हुआ? Like, what was this? Who did what? Like, who were those masked men? What is going to happen now? Who is Yami Gautam? Is she related to Varun Dhawan in any way? Etc. etc. So, yeah. A very, very, very intriguing opening sequence. And the number 1 spot, a quite debatable one because a lot of people have told me कि उन्हें ये opening sequence काफी boring लगा था. It is Anubhav Sinha's Thappad. Again, a very, very recent film just before lockdown. So how do I define how well led Thappad as a movie is. I think it is one of the best screenplays that I've ever seen in Bollywood. Now let's talk about that opening sequence. Now that opening sequence revolves around something which is very peculiar, something that every strata of the society loves munching onto. That is an orange bar, a 10 rupee orange bar. So the opening sequence actually pans across four couples. Four couples belonging to very different strata of the society and very different age groups of the society, all linked with the 10 rupee orange bar. But mind you, our protagonists, that is Taapsee and her husband, do not make an appearance during this entire sequence. And with the opening sequence, we see Taapsee's mother and father. They're enjoying an orange bar. They have their own kind of equation going on. They are old, they're enjoying that young pana. They are actually, what the beautiful parallel in that sequence is that while they're enjoying that orange bar, they're actually looking at their older photos when they got married. So basically, they're thinking about their young days. Cut to couple number 2. Someone from the higher class, a couple who seem to be cheating on their partners or something. They again are enjoying an orange bar from the street, alright? They're enjoying it and they are also deriving some kind of thrill in the kind of cheating scenario they are in. Alright, they're sitting in their work, alright, the upper class, but still they're enjoying their orange bar. Cut to the third couple. These are Taapsee's brother and his fiancée. So they are also enjoying the ice cream in a similar way. Again, a very different couple. A couple who seems to be having some kind of problems going on between them. You see it from the first sequence, but they're enjoying their life. And cut to the fourth one, which is actually Taapsee's maid. You see the spread across the strata and the age groups. So here the wife is actually छेड़ोफाइंग her husband कि आपसे तो बच्चा ही नहीं होता, this and that, कि आपको मैं गरम करती हूँ and all of that. And he literally drops her off the bicycle in the middle of the road, alright? And she has that orange bar in her hand. So you see these four different stratas opening up with the same connecting linkage of that orange bar. So this was my list of top 5 opening sequences. All of these 5 films are beautiful films as well. You should go and give them a try if you haven't watched any of them. But remember that this entire list has been compiled by my own preferences. There might be a lot of content जो मैंने अभी तक देखा नहीं है. Alright, so in case you feel there is something else, please put it down in the comment section. And if you agree or disagree with anything that I put up in this list, please write about it. I would love to discuss some particular sequence in depth with you guys over the comment section. Also, I have learned this looking at a lot of YouTubers now. Please like, share and subscribe. And also you can find me on Instagram on @Sakshay Bhatia. So please go and follow me there as well. Bye-bye.